everyone, welcome back. I hope everyone is having a wonderful Monday. So today I'm going to be doing another haul video for you guys. You guys seem to really like my Ulta and TJ Maxx haul, at least from what I've seen on views. Those seem to be the ones that are consistently on the higher, like I consistently have more views on those videos. So I thought I would just kind of make this a monthly thing probably. I know I like shopping and showing you guys what I got, and you guys seem to like seeing what all I picked up, because usually honestly guys, I do like to look for deals and stuff, so that's really what I do, is I go into Ulta and stuff and see what kind of good deals they have going on, and that's usually when I buy, is when they're having a sale or something. I don't usually just go in just to buy, so to say. I like getting good deals. But before I get into showing you guys what I got, on my last video I got a request to kind of show off my wedding ring here. Someone wanted to see a closer up of that and kind of talk about it a little bit. So I'm going to do that first, but if you're not interested in that, then just go ahead and skip ahead, and I'll get into the haul. But yes, so on my last video, someone commented asking to see my wedding ring and to see a closer up of it, and I'm going to show you that. Alright, so this is my wedding ring. And there's 3 rings here. This big one was, of course, my engagement ring. And then this over here is my actual wedding band, and this one is just an extra. My husband, when he gave me an engagement ring, and then we got the wedding band, and then he went ahead and got another one because he said it wasn't complete without it. So that is that. And the gems, or whatever you want to call them, they're actual black diamonds. I didn't know that they existed until my husband got me an engagement ring with black diamonds in it, and the silver is actual white gold, and then the other ones are just normal diamonds, just the white ones. So yeah guys, this is my wedding ring. I love it. It's a little big, honestly. I mean, these are actual 3 separate rings, but we went to a jeweler and got them soldered together, so that, because it was super annoying before I got them soldered to put on 3 rings each time. That was super annoying, and they would always turn and stuff. But after I got them put together, it's been pretty good after I got them all stuck together. But yeah guys, that's my wedding ring. Alrighty, and then let's go ahead and get into the haul. So I think I'm going to start with TJ Maxx this time. I don't know what I started with last time, but I didn't get as much this month from TJ Maxx, but I did get quite a bit from Ulta. Alright, so starting with TJ Maxx, and I feel like it's pretty common for TJ Maxx hauls to like at least have a candle in it or something, but yeah, I picked up this candle here. It's got butterflies on it, and I don't remember what the scent is. I don't really know what the scent, I don't see a name for the scent. It smells like peaches or something. But anyways, cute little candle. It was on sale for $4, and I'm always looking. I don't know, I have a picky sense of smell, so I usually buy candles that I like, just because, I don't know, I don't find very many that I like very often. I don't know why. I think I have a super sensitive sense of smell. So usually when I come across a candle that I like, I actually go ahead and buy it, because, I don't know, I like to have candles on hand. So again, this was only $4, pretty good size, I'd say, not too bad. Alright, so there's the first one, and then this last 2 is, that's all I found this time was 2 highlighting palettes. And so this one's from Maxx, I believe, and this was $20, and this is the Hyper Real Glow palette. Now the only reason why I picked this up is because it's Maxx, and I don't have anything Maxx, and I was really curious to try something from Maxx, because there's not a Sephora here, at least not in my little town that I live in. There might be one in the city, but I don't usually go up into the city. So here is what it looks like. I thought they were really pretty shades. I had to look it up online to actually see what this looked like before I bought it, because it was in one of those protector things where it's like, in case people try to steal it. So I couldn't actually open it and look in it, which I know you're not really supposed to do that in TJ Maxx, but I don't ever swatch anything. I just like to look at it. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and do a couple of swatches. So they don't have shade names on them, so I can't really tell you. I probably won't ever use the darker one just because I don't think it's for my skin tone. There they are. I can't really see if you guys can tell if you can see them or not. They look really pretty and they feel nice, so that darker one is definitely too dark for me, but it is very pretty. I might be able to use that darker one as like an eyeshadow topper or something, because that would be really pretty as eyeshadow. Alright, and then the last thing from TJ Maxx is by Lime Crime. Now, I used to hear a lot about Lime Crime, and I don't really hear anything about them anymore, so I don't know if they were just kind of like a trend or something, or a brand that got really popular and then they kind of didn't, but I wanted to try something from them too. So I picked this one up for $13, and this is called Highlight. And unfortunately, when I did open this one up, because I think this was, and I don't know if this one was in a protector, but I didn't open it just because I didn't want to. But it did come busted. So this one over here was busted, but I just kind of pressed it back down together, and I mean, it seems to be okay now. It just looks kind of ugly. But the shades on the back are peach, gold, and pink. I know you guys probably can't see it very well because it's so reflective, but I'm going to go ahead and do swatches of them. Again, I just kind of wanted to try it out. I mean, I don't know. Alright, they feel super creamy. Like pretty creamy. Maybe a little on the chalky side, but not too bad. So I'm just going to go ahead and do swatches of them. Alright guys, and there they are swatched. I mean, not the best quality in the world, but I wanted to try them out, and I can always use it as eyeshadow or something if it doesn't work out for my face. If I sound a little funny, I was sick, and that's why I only posted once last week. It's because I got sick, so I'm kind of still getting over it a little bit, so that's why my voice sounds a little funny today. Alrighty guys, and now moving on to Ulta. And I did actually pick up several palettes this month, or last month, or this month, I don't know, whenever I bought them. Alright, so first thing I just got that was on sale was a Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter. I'm not going to pull this one out yet just because I don't want to, I don't know, open so many highlighters. There it is. And really, I only just bought this because it was on sale and I'd been wanting to try out some of their highlighters, so that's really the only reason why I picked this one up. Alright guys, and then the rest are palettes. And again, I only bought most of these because they were on sale, and they happen to be stuff that I've been wanting to try. I just, you know, I didn't want to pay full price. Alright, so the first one I'm going to show you guys is by Revolution, and this is by Makeup Revolution, and this is Maxx Revolution, the Tropical Carnival Shadow Palette. And I've been wanting to try out Makeup Revolution for a while, just hadn't gotten around to it. And I think they had quite a few sales on their palettes, but this was like, I think the only one that they had left, or the one that I wanted that they had left. And this is super colorful. And I've been trying to get more color palettes because I don't have very many of them. I have a lot of neutrals, but I don't have very many color palettes. So I just went ahead and picked this up because I, again, just wanting to try out Makeup Revolution. And I also wanted to see what the quality is like and everything. So let me know if you want to see an eye tutorial with this, or you want to see me doing a kind of a first impression. Let me know down in the comments. Let me see if I still have my receipts. Okay, so This palette is originally $15 and it was 40% off, so I got this for $9. And the Physicians Butter highlighter, it was originally $11.49 and 40% off, so I got it for $6.89. So a little bit of saving there. Alright, and then moving on to next palette I have, and I have it picked up, the BH Take Me Back to Brazil palette. This one was on sale, 40% off as well. It's originally $20 and I got it for $12. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. Let me go ahead, open it. So of course it does have a mirror in there, and then here it is. And I've seen lots of Instagram pictures, videos and stuff, so I don't know, it was on sale, wanted to try it out. Another really colorful palette. I can't say that I have many palettes with like yellows and greens in them, so kind of excited about that. Again, let me know if you want to see a tutorial on this or see me doing first impressions with this. Let me know down in the comments. I have to say, I really like the packaging on this. It's so pretty. But yeah, super excited about this one. Alright, and the next one I picked up is by Juvia's. And that is the Warrior. You Are a Warrior palette. I just love their packaging. It's so pretty. But these were 30% off, so I got two different palettes, and I'll show you the other one in a minute. But they were both $14 each, which again, not a horrible price. But here is the packaging. I don't know, I really like this one's packaging. And then here is the inside. I already swatched them a little bit because I don't know, I get so excited about new palettes. But this is a very interesting color selection here. Definitely out of my comfort zone, as a majority of these are, because they're very bright. But again, I'm just kind of trying to get more of a collection of brighter colors. That really sold me on this palette, because I swatched the testers there. I think it was this shade. Maybe one of the shimmer shades. I'll swatch the shimmers. They're just so pretty, and I'm a sucker for good shimmers. Those shimmers are just so pretty, I think. And I've never tried any of Juvia's palettes, so my first time trying them. And the next one I got is the Nabian palette, and this one is just a neutral palette, but again, really cool packaging. And yeah, I've got tons of neutral palettes, but I really just want to try out this brand. And again, I got this one as well as for $14. But I've heard lots of good things about these palettes, so that's why I wanted to add them to my collection. Alright guys, and that's everything for this month when it comes to my hauls. I didn't buy a whole lot actually this month, I usually buy more from TJ Maxx, but I don't know, every time I've gone in there, I just really haven't found much that I really wanted. I think I found more, like I said, when I went into Ulta than going into TJ Maxx this month, but TJ Maxx is kind of like that. They're kind of a hit or miss, at least for me personally. But yeah, that's everything I got. Let me know, again, down in the comments which ones you want to see reviews on or tutorials on. I'm happy to do that for you guys. But yeah, guys, that's going to do it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. I really do appreciate it. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful Monday and a wonderful week. And I'm going to try to stay warm. I know it is getting super cold here, and it's supposed to get even colder this week, which I feel like winter's already here, and I'm like, where did fall go? It barely was here for a little bit, and now it's just gone. But yeah, and also don't forget to like this video if this is the types of videos that you guys like seeing. That really does help me know what to film. But yeah, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!